10 benefits of lemon for your health. Improves circulation, lowers blood pressure, and glucose. Folks, this fruit here, lemon, is one of the most versatile and healthiest foods out there, and it's something everyone has at home. This will be our topic for today. Let's explore how this tangy fruit can boost your health in various ways. Did you know lemon can help with weight control? Let's look at the substances in lemons behind these benefits and how they work in our body. We'll understand the many functions and ways lemon affects our system. Stick around till the end. Don't go anywhere because I'll show you how to add lemon to your routine effectively and practically in a way you won't forget, okay? If you're new to the channel, I'll ask you to subscribe down below. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our live streams. We go live almost daily, and if not, there's a video. So enable notifications to catch all our content. If you've been watching for a while but haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button below, then leave a comment and take a moment to tell me which part of the world you're watching from. Now, grab a pen and paper to note the first benefit of our beloved lemon, its antioxidant power. Everyone knows lemons are rich in vitamin C, which neutralizes free radicals that cause cell damage and premature aging. How does lemon do this? Its antioxidant action prevents cell oxidation, lowering the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and heart problems. Second benefit, it strengthens the immune system. Besides vitamin C, lemons contain flavonoids like hesperidin. Remember that name, hesperidin, as we'll mention it again soon. Vitamin C stimulates white blood cell production, crucial for our body's defense. Flavonoids boost immune system efficiency, helping prevent infections. Third benefit, lemon aids digestion. It contains citric acid, which stimulates gastric juice production. It eases digestion, relieves indigestion, and surprisingly, reduces heartburn risk. But lemon is very acidic. Your stomach acid is more acidic than lemon. Got it? Lemon improves digestion and helps balance stomach pH levels. People with acid reflux may experience symptoms when consuming citrus fruits. Yes, folks, this can happen. But gastroesophageal reflux disease is usually caused by a lack of stomach acid, not an excess. Got it? So keep that in mind. Fourth benefit, lemon aids in weight control. It contains pectin, a soluble fiber that increases fullness and reduces appetite. Eating less leads to a reduction in daily calorie intake. This promotes weight loss or maintaining a healthy weight. Fifth benefit, it promotes skin health. It's rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, crucial for collagen production. To produce collagen, you absolutely need vitamin C. Collagen is essential for skin elasticity and firmness. Lemon keeps skin youthful, prevents early aging and blemishes, okay? Sixth benefit, it helps control blood pressure due to its potassium content. Potassium has vasodilatory properties. It helps relax your blood vessels, improving circulation, and with more space for blood to flow in the arteries, this blood will consequently exert less pressure on the artery walls. And what does this cause? It reduces blood pressure, which is precisely the force or pressure that blood exerts on the walls of the arteries. So by lowering blood pressure through potassium-induced vasodilation, lemon also helps prevent cardiovascular issues. The seventh benefit is body detoxification. Citric acid helps flush out toxins through the liver and stimulates the production of detoxifying enzymes. Thus, it aids in eliminating toxins and improves overall body function. The eighth benefit is its anti-inflammatory action. Indeed, flavonoids like hesperidin and diosmin, which we'll discuss shortly, for those with circulation issues, you'll see the benefits of hesperidin and diosmin, which are antioxidant and anti-inflammatory substances that help control diseases like arthritis. Lemon's flavonoids block inflammatory pathways in the body, easing pain and reducing inflammation. The ninth benefit, it prevents kidney stones. Its high citric acid content helps dissolve small crystals in your kidneys, preventing stone formation. This citric acid in lemon consumption also increases urine volume, diluting stone-forming substances. The 10th benefit, folks, which is crucial, is its impact on cardiovascular health. First, it contains vitamin C. Vitamin C is antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Vitamin C is essential for collagen, a key component of your blood vessel walls. So your blood vessels need collagen to stay healthy. That's the first point. Second, lemons can lower cholesterol and prevent LDL oxidation, the bad cholesterol. Lemons reduce atherosclerosis risk, which is artery clogging, and prevent heart diseases. Now, what's interesting about lemons, and I want you to pay close attention to this, especially if you have any circulation issues or venous insufficiency, is that doctors often prescribe Daflon or Diosmin for these problems. What's in the formula of these medications? What do they contain? I mentioned 2 flavonoids in this video that are crucial for circulation. Do you remember which ones? I told you to remember this name. That's it, folks. One was hesperidin and the other was diosmin, which are in Daflon and Diosmin. So diosmin and hesperidin can be found naturally in lemon. Now, here's a trick. What's the catch? Hesperidin and diosmin are concentrated in a specific part of the lemon that we usually discard. Which part is that? Which part do you think? It's a part of the lemon we throw away that we don't use, and it's where the highest concentrations of diosmin and hesperidin are found, which are very beneficial for our circulation. Silene, Maria DeLorde, Regina, and Pena have already guessed correctly. It's in the peel, folks. As people here in Rio say, the casca. The lemon peel has the highest concentrations of hesperidin and diosmin, okay? Now, some tips for lemon consumption. To get all these benefits, eat fresh lemon, preferably with warm water in the morning. Dr. Joao, how do I consume lemon peel? Have you heard of Swiss lemonade? Ever heard of Swiss lemonade? How's it different from regular lemonade? Swiss lemonade blends the whole lemon peel and all. How can you reduce the bitterness? Remove the white pith, then blend the lemon with peel in a blender, okay? That's the best way to consume your lemon. You don't even need to strain it. When I drink it, you might think I'm crazy. Some might say I'm doing it wrong, but I don't strain it. I eat it all, peel and everything, okay? Warning, don't overdo it to protect your tooth enamel, as lemon, like apple cider vinegar, is very acidic. Other ways to enjoy lemon: make juice, season salads, meats, or other foods. These are also clever ways to boost your daily intake of this amazing fruit for various health benefits. So, lemon is a simple food and it's usually quite accessible, but it has a significant impact on health when consumed regularly and in the right way, which is exactly what I've just shown you. Now, folks, did you enjoy this video? Give it a like. Now, what am I going to ask you? Don't think drinking lemon juice with peel daily means you won't need to do anything else, that it'll fix diabetes, cholesterol, and circulation. Folks, is lemon good? Yes, it helps, but it's no miracle. You need to address the root cause. If you have diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, obesity, or poor circulation, where's the likely cause? Where is it? If you have these diseases I mentioned, where's the root of the problem? Where's the fire starting? In your habits, behaviors, and lifestyle. If you drink lemon, but gorge on soy oil, sugar, alcohol, and smoke like a chimney, poor lemon can't work miracles. If you don't exercise, sleep poorly, or you're obese, lemon won't perform miracles. You need to address the cause of your diabetes, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol. And what's causing all of this? What's behind your poor circulation and excess weight? It's your sedentary lifestyle, being lazy, not exercising, walking, or hitting the gym for strength training. It's eating junk, skipping fruits and veggies, avoiding quality protein, and stuffing yourself with frozen meals. That's where it all starts. That's the birthplace of these diseases. So you need to change your lifestyle and adapt your behaviors. If you're unsure about which behaviors or habits to adopt, or what lifestyle changes prevent diseases like cancer, heart attacks, and strokes, or how to reverse and treat conditions like diabetes, hypertension, and high cholesterol, I'll guide you through it all in my book, The Longevity Code, featuring 100 habits to live past 100. These habits are scientifically proven to prevent, treat, and reverse all the diseases I just mentioned. Getting access to the book is simple. Just click the first link in the description or the pinned comment.